Hey there, fellow adventurers. I am so excited to share something with you that I believe will revolutionize the way that we explore the great outdoors. So, it's called JordiLight. It is the ultimate utility flashlight that is designed to enhance your outdoor experiences and keep you safe, no matter where your journey takes you. It is the only flashlight that can be held, worn, hung, and attached all in one user-friendly and smart device. Now, JordiLight is packed with incredible features that make it the perfect companion for all of your adventures. Now, in this video, we're gonna dive into everything this amazing flashlight has to offer. So stick around because you won't wanna miss this. Come on. Now, the JordiLight features 2 rechargeable lithium-ion batteries with a total capacity of 1,000 milliamp hours, securely sealed for waterproof reliability. And its USB-C charging port ensures easy recharging with any compatible charger or power bank, making it convenient for both indoor and outdoor use. And with a battery life of up to 4 hours at full brightness and up to 9 hours at 15% brightness, JordiLight keeps you powered for extended adventures. All right, as the sun goes down and the darkness sets in, we need a reliable source of light to guide us. And that's where JordiLight comes in. With a light output of up to 3,600 lumens, this flashlight is powerful enough to light up your path and keep you safe. JordiLight features multiple light modes to suit any situation. High, medium, and low modes can be customized via the mobile app, allowing you to choose the perfect amount of light for your needs. Additionally, it has built-in modes like SOS, compass, navigation, party, and scanner, enhancing your outdoor experience and safety. You can also store up to 9 colors and create up to 10 custom modes using the mode screen. Now, JordiLight's magnetic base attaches to metal surfaces. For hands-free convenience that's perfect for tasks like setting up camp or cooking in the dark. Now, the JordiLight app lets you customize light modes, intensity, and colors, offering a tailored lighting experience for your outdoor needs. JordiLight's party mode with vibrant colors enhances visibility and creates a fun atmosphere for outdoor gatherings, adding to personal safety during nighttime activities. Now, the JordiLight features a built-in e-compass for navigation in the dark. The JordiLight app allows you to set a navigational heading, guiding you with white and red lights for accurate direction adjustments. JordiLight's fall sensor activates its SOS pattern in emergencies, increasing visibility and signaling for help. Now, this feature provides added security and peace of mind during outdoor adventures. If the fall sensor is triggered, the mobile app will send an emergency text message with your location to your emergency contact. Well, JordiLight is muddy. Luckily, it has an IPX8 waterproof rating, meaning it can be submerged in water up to 10 meters without damage. It's built to handle whatever Mother Nature throws at it, ensuring reliable performance in any environment. Now, at JordiLight, we're committed to eco-friendly manufacturing and sustainable practices. Using responsible materials and minimizing our carbon footprint are core principles that are guiding our efforts. Now, we believe in preserving nature for future generations, and I invite you to join us in protecting our environment by choosing JordiLight.